Hi guys, my name is MJ. Welcome to Virtu Toys channel. Okay, latest arrival from Hot Wheels. Uh, yeah, we have seen teasers already, right? A couple of times, and finally it's here. Finally, it's here. A little bit surprising how these two are actually being released here in Malaysia. So these are part of the Hot Wheels themed automotive series. Okay, so the code for these kind of products would be GDG44. So we received the U and the V that came together, both waves. Okay, they are, I believe they are made in Malaysia for both of them. Yes, so both of them are made in Malaysia. I was a little bit confused at first because the U and the V look so similar, and we don't always get two waves together at once, so a little strange, but quite nice sets actually. So because I've already unboxed the Honda set. Okay, some of you who know me, I've already done the unboxing for the Honda set. Okay, over on Collector's Cube, over on Facebook. So whenever it's possible, right, any new arrivals, I will do live unboxing over there. Do look us up on Facebook. That's QUBE. Okay, and then help me to hit the like button because that will help me out in the YouTube algorithms. Okay, so this one's because I've only gotten like a couple of cases, not much, so I won't be removing them from the box from their card. Okay, so this is in conjunction with the upcoming Disney movie Lightyear, based on Toy Story's Buzz Lightyear. Okay, so 5 cars. Okay, sorry, where's number 1? Yeah, here we go. There we go. This is the main character. The character card will be Sir Ominous. Okay, all right, that's number 1. And then where's number 2? Number 2 would be, there we go. This I think is the villain. Okay, Highway Hollow 2. Yeah, there is the logo, there is the icon on the side here. So this would be the Buzz Lightyear. This I think because I saw it in a Monster Truck series, so I think this is Zork. I don't know the rest. Okay, where's number 3? Okay, the Chevelle. So I think this is the only real car in here. The rest of them are actually fantasy designs. Okay, the Chevelle. Number 4 would be the Fast FELION. Okay, and then number 5 would be that robotic cat, I think. Socks. Okay, SOX, AMAZOOM. So it has been quite a while since we've seen this casting being used. So that's nice. Nice to see it out again. Okay, so that's the Disney card. I'm gonna put this aside because I think most of you guys here would want to see this, right? Okay, so this one, it's not just a Honda set. Okay, this is actually a Civic set. Quite crazy, and because it's how Hot Wheels does it nowadays, right? From what I see, it's my own opinion, right? They usually mix hot cars and not so hot cars in a set, but this time around we know that Civic is gonna be hot, and basically they put all the Civic into a single set. So that is pretty mind-blowing from Hot Wheels. Okay, so this is number 1, the Honda Civic EF. Okay, these are, I've already all gotten it out of the box. We're gonna check that out later. I want to show you guys while it's in the package. Okay, it will look like this. This would be probably the hottest one. 92 Honda Civic EG. Okay, that's number 2. Number 3 would be the Civic Si in red and white. Okay, because recently I've been seeing quite a few Tommy Mackinnon Evos in red and white, so this color a little bit, okay, even though it's a different shade of red, right, it does, that red and white does remind me of the Evos a little bit. This is another, I would say, nice casting from Hot Wheels, the FK2. Okay, I like how they focus on the back of the car. I think the back of the car is really very nice. Okay, that's the FK2, and then we have the FK8 here. Okay, so this is what it looks like while in the packaging. Okay, so I have already got it out of the box over there. Hang on, let me just sit you guys here on the stand. Okay, there we go. So what we'll do is gonna check out the card and the car. Okay, card and car. I think we go through the cards first, and then I'll do a close up on the cars. Okay, so the card out of the packaging. the card will look like this. Alright, so this is Civic EF. All of them has the artist impression, okay, rather than the real car. So that's number one. Number two would be the EG. Okay, number two would be the EG. Nice, very nice artwork. Number three, Civic Si. Okay, this one actually they're using the updated casting, the one with the side mirror. The older casting does not have the side mirror. So this one is the, look at that, I really like the yellow and the black combination. That's actually very nice. Very nice. Okay, this is number five, the FK8. It does reassemble the Malaysian police colors, because we do have this FK8 in our Malaysian police force, so it does look a little similar. Okay, so that's FK8. Exciting. I think I'm gonna place them all at the back here, right? Just spread them out a little bit. Okay, as a background, as a backdrop. Cool. I'm gonna move you guys a little bit nearer. Okay. In the meantime, help me hit that subscribe button, okay, so that I don't miss on my other diecast videos. Okay, so here we go. The first one actually is the Civic EF. Okay, I'm gonna zoom in more. There we go. So from my observation, right, usually Hot Wheels will actually print only on two sides, whether it's gonna be the front and the back, or left and right, or once a while they go crazy, they go print on three sides, the two sides and the front, or the two sides and the back. So I believe it's due to cost. Okay, so this time all four sides has printing on all of the 5 cars, so that is actually something that's really very nice, done from Hot Wheels. I'll show an example what I'm talking about. Like for example, the previous sets, because these, I'm talking about cars from the same series, which is the theme automotive. So let me zoom out. Okay, so this is one of the older sets, right? There you can see this is three sides, left and right, and then the top. So they don't what we notice is they don't go all the way on 4 sides. You see this is also 3 side, something on the hood, and the top is printed black, and left and right, so no tail lights, no headlamps. Okay, so this is actually considered normal for this series of cars, which is something we felt, if only they did something about it, right? So like for example, like that, this one is already this is already 4 sides. I think recent a little bit more recent releases, they have been doing 4 sides. So I think the previous ones are not that obvious. Let me see the Jag as well. This is also 4 side. So I think possibly because the previous releases are plain color, so they're not that obvious. This time around it's really very obvious on all 4 sides. Okay, so we're gonna start off with Civic EF with their very classic 5-spoke wheels. Okay, so this is actually very classic. I think it kind of works as well, because this is a 1990 Civic EF. Double overhead cam down here with VTAG, okay, sticker printed there, Honda logo on top, black hood, okay, not carbon fiber, just black hood. Nice. Well, overall this casting is actually not bad at all. You can see all the bumper details for its price point, right? We're not talking about aftermarket prices. For its retail price, I think this is actually very nice. Okay, the Honda logo nicely printed. Okay, same goes to the left side of the car with the Hot Wheels logo here as well. Can you see it? Okay, and then we go to the back. See, even the Civic logo back here is printed very nicely now. I don't think they are able to do this maybe 1 year ago. So yeah, very nicely done by Hot Wheels. So this is the Civic EF. Okay, then number 2, I can't recall the numbers. I believe I got it in sequence. I think I have it in sequence. So the next one would be, let's park this at the back, the Civic EG. Okay, let me park it under the light. So again, this one, now this sticker here, right, I believe this is actually from the one make race in Japan that they have over the years, every year. One make where only Civics involved in a race, but I believe I also see this type of sticker on some of the Kanjo Civic cars. So correct me if I'm wrong, maybe this type of this particular Civic, you know, white and then red underneath, appears elsewhere, but from my recollection, from what I recall, right, either one make race or the Kanjo cars. Okay, what I'm talking about, right, hang on, I have something here. What I'm talking about is actually this, the Eno car, that the Eno Kanjo car that I have just next to me. There, see, no wonder it looks so familiar, right? There we go. So this is something from the No Good Racing Kanjo Club. Okay, so yeah, interesting that Hot Wheels went ahead and put that sticker on the door. Okay, white 5-spoke. This is OH5, goes through. Okay, this is OH5, and headlamps printed with the Hot Wheels logo. Now, while I was doing an unboxing, right, I didn't notice. Only later in the day. Look at the hood. Oh my God. I wonder if, you know, they haven't let the paint dry and they just slowed it into the blister. So I have a lot of scratches on my EG. I wonder where the car has been. I've got some scratches up here as well. Damn. Okay. But side view, a view to behold. I really like that turquoise color. So at the back it has that black finish to the boot. Okay, to the boot lid. But you can see it's a little bit of an unfinished job. I guess the printer couldn't print up here. I don't think it's paint. I think it's print. The tail lights are all printed. Okay, with a little bit of texture. Print. You don't get a texture, but it's printed to look like it has some texture to it. Okay. All right. Okay, so underneath has a little bit of detail. Okay, it's riveted. Front and back, made in Malaysia. Okay. It is the EF. That's number 2. Number 3 would be the Civic Si in the red and white. So this one has the more branding on the side door, on the door. Okay, Hot Wheels logo, race. What is that? Nito, Sparko, and Coney. Nice, very nice. This is again another very nice casting. I think, yeah, I've been saying it quite a lot of times now that Hot Wheels really did step up. Look at that. That is actually not bad, right? For its price bracket. Actually not bad. Not bad at all. The paint is very nice as well. The red, very shiny. Okay, the tail lamp. The tail lights are printed. There's printing on the number plates as well with the Hot Wheels logo, the Civic logo up there. Nice. Okay. Alright. So I do quite like the red and white, even though it really does resemble Evos, but really do like the red and white combination. What is that? Extra piece on the wheel. Yeah, that's some. I'm not able to get it off. That's some extra piece on the wheels. Okay, so that's a Civic Si. I think this Civic 2-door, right? I correct me if I'm wrong. I think this version of the Civic only appeared in US. I don't know if this actually appeared in Japan or anywhere else in the world. Okay, that's a Civic Si, and then this is the 2016 Civic. This one for sure it appeared globally, not much in Malaysia. I do remember seeing this in Europe and I think in Australia as well, but Malaysia didn't get this version of the FK2. Ooh, look at that. Look at all the printed details in front. Quite nice. Honda logo, Type R. What's that? Is that SIR? What's that? Are you? Yeah. If you do know what logo is that, is it Type R? I think it's, but Type R and Type R. What is that? I can see the red is R, but I can't see what the white says. Okay. If you do know, please do let me know in the comment section below, okay? Alright. So very nice details in front. All it needs, right? All it needs, the Yokohama detail, the Yokohama sticker, Hot Wheels, Honda logo, Honda Civic. All it needs is just a pair of rubber wheels. And oh, beautiful. Oh, look at that. That's the back. Type R logo down there. Printed tail lights and detailing here. Okay, with the Hot Wheels logo. Nice. There's a diffuser details down here as well. Twin pipes left and right. Okay, nice. So that's the FK2, and then we go to the FK8 in white. With the neon orange and blue as well. Look at that. Look at that. This is really very nice. This printed paint, this printed design is actually very nice. Honda number 18 looks like a track car. Yep, Hot Wheels are meant to go down the track anyway, right? That's the thing. I think the front part, I think the actual car, I don't think Hot Wheels really able to pull off what it really looks like. So I don't think the front looks that good, given the limitation, right, of Hot Wheels. But still, you know, A for effort. Headlamps, Honda logo, I think that's Type R. That's Type R, and then there's the grille, fog lamps, okay, with a lip. Alright, however, when you go to the back, oh, look at that. So even though it's printed, right, it is really sharp. The lines are really where it needs to go. I don't see any misalignment, which is actually very common, as far as I know, on Hot Wheels. But on any of the others, right, I don't see any misalignment of the printing. So I think that is something that they level up on as well. Look at that. There's no smear. You don't see it pixelated as well. Okay, it's printed really sharp and crisp. Okay, the Honda logo, Hot Wheels logo with the grille details. Is there texture? Yes, there is texture. So there is some texture on the mold, and then they print black on top of it. Good enough for Hot Wheels. Good enough. The center exhaust system, the 3 exhaust system in the Type R FK8. Nice, very nice, very nice. So glad and relieved that I actually have this, that I managed to get hold of this set. Okay, otherwise I'll be crying to sleep. Okay, yes, I still do collect Hot Wheels. I still do collect Hot Wheels when the nice ones come about. Okay, so exciting week. 2 release, Disney and the Honda set. All right, so do look us up on Facebook. Okay, if unfortunately this one I received very limited stocks, so I'm already out right now when you're watching this video. But for any other ready stocks, if I have any extras, right, I will actually pass it over to Collector's Cube. They handle all my ready stock items. And what else? Look them up over on Facebook. That's Collector's Cube, QUBE. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the bell so that you don't miss on any of my other diecast videos. Alright, so thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.